Vuforia Studio allows you to use occlusion to use physical objects to hide virtual parts of your AR experience. This gives a feeling of realistic depth to your experience and significantly improves the user's immersion. To use occlusion, you'll first need matching CAD geometry of your product. The better this matches your product, the more visually accurate the occlusion effect will be. Once you've imported your CAD model, you can turn on occlusion by ticking the Occlude button in the Properties pane. This will set your model to be white and opaque, indicating that it won't be displayed, but instead will be used to occlude virtual elements in your experience. Make sure the Visible option is also ticked. Going into Preview mode, you will also see this white object. As such, to fully test your experience, you'll need a physical model of your product to test with. Using occlusion will make your experience more realistic, as faraway elements won't be displayed over the top of closer ones. While this happens automatically for virtual elements, you'll need occluding to tell Vuforia which physical parts need to be displayed over the top of virtual elements. As you can see, without occluding, the experience loses a sense of depth as elements are mismatched with their environment. If you only want to use the real physical model to occlude, you can untick the visible box to hide the CAD model in the experience. That was a brief look into using occlusion in Vuforia Studio. To learn more about making the most of Vuforia Studio, check out our video playlist for plenty of tutorials and walkthroughs.